In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the publish date on your Hubspot blog. Whether you're updating evergreen content or reorganizing your blog schedule, adjusting the publish date is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to get your blog post updated with a fresh date. First things first, you need to log into your Hubspot account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll need to access the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page for the navigation menu. From there, hover over Content and then select Blog from the drop-down menu. This section is where all your blog posts live, so it's an essential hub for managing your content. With the blog section open, you'll be greeted with a list of all your published and draft blog posts. If you have a specific post in mind, you can use the search bar or apply filters to quickly locate it. This is particularly helpful if you have an extensive library of posts. Once you've found the blog post you want to edit, click on its title to open it within the editor. This is your workspace for making changes to your post, including the publish date. Now that you're in the editor, glance over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a drop-down arrow associated with scheduling. Go ahead and click that arrow to reveal more options. Within this menu, you'll find a choice labeled Scheduling Options. Give that a click and you'll be taken to a section dedicated to managing your post's timing. Look for a small pencil icon. This icon is key to making edits in HubSpot, so click it to enable changes to your scheduling settings. Once you've clicked the pencil, you'll be able to click directly into the date field. Here, a calendar will pop up, allowing you to select a new date and time for your post's publication. It's as intuitive as using a digital calendar. Just point and click on the date you prefer. After you've selected the new date, double check to ensure it's the desired one before moving on. Now, for the final step, look for a button labeled Reschedule. Clicking this will save your changes and officially update your post's publish date. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've successfully changed the publish date of your HubSpot blog post. This feature is quite handy for maintaining the relevance of your blog content. Remember, regularly updating your blog can improve engagement and SEO performance, so don't hesitate to make scheduling adjustments as needed. Thanks for tuning in and happy blogging.